Hey, so my name's Alex Saul, and I have been a sales professional for the last decade. I've been honing my craft. Look, I started from the bottom. When I first started, my first job straight out of college, I worked in Home Depot trying to sell kitchen and bath remodels, literally talking to 200 people a day, face to face, people putting their hand up in my face. No, I don't want to hear about it. I've dealt with all the worst kind of objections that you could possibly imagine, but I transitioned from that actually going into tech sales, and I've done inside sales, selling many different kinds of products, from marketing to software for all kinds of businesses, from contractor financing to softwares that were used for commercial PNC insurance agencies as well. So I've sold it. I've been a top performer at every single organization that I've ever worked at, won multiple awards. And after really getting very, very successful at sales, making a lot of money at it, I decided that it was time for me to jump in and be an entrepreneur. And I took a lot of that stuff that's really important, right? You know, the sales skills and the marketing skills, and I jumped in and started promoting my own offers that I was actually creating. One of the other things that I got really good at along the way was personal branding, which is super, super important. And so when I first launched my offer, that was the first time that I actually put my face out there. But I've done multiple offers along the way. From being in business for the last 3 years in the e-com space, I've launched multiple offers. Every single time it's been a successful offer, and I've done millions upon millions of dollars through these offers. These are high ticket digital offers. And I've done everything from creating the actual, video content, shooting the ads, dealing with the scripts, creating the funnels to actually intake all these leads, then actually running paid ads behind them, everything from, Google ads to running ads on Facebook and Instagram. And I've learned every single thing that you should do and things that you shouldn't do as well. So I know how to be cost effective with this and make sure that you're getting a great ROAS, which is return on your ad spend. So at this point, really, look, I know how to create pitches, I know how to train sales teams, and I know how to make money, plain and simple. And if you are an entrepreneur and you're looking to get your offer out there and you just don't know how to get in front of people and you don't know what the first step is to take, I can help you. I can actually, from the ground up, you tell me what it is that you offer, I can actually create your entire pitch. I can create all of the marketing behind it, get you set up to run the paid ads, get you in front of a ton of people, and I can actually show you how you can scale the thing out, build a sales team, put it in place, and make sure that you basically have an ATM machine that is printing money. And all you're gonna have to do is deliver on that service. So if you're an entrepreneur and you're looking to scale your operation, you're trying to get more sales, and you wanna know how can you get in front of more people so that you can get the sales that you deserve, then I am your guy, and I can help you build out that offer, and I will get it done for you. Let's go.